Yo, what's up everybody on YouTube, man? Welcome back again to Nenduboy channel, man. You already know what time it is. The grind doesn't stop. You know, today, man, we're about to get into the grind, man. We're about to get this money, man. So you guys stay tuned. And today, guys, I'm gonna be running my vending business today. So you guys can see I'm at Sam's today. About to go buy some product. And when I buy this product, I'm gonna start heading to the car and, you know, start getting the grind. You know, today's gonna be a very fun video, man. Trust me, today's gonna be very fun. I'm gonna show you guys a lot of details into this vending business, so stay tuned. I mean, I don't know if you guys can hear me. Let me put this down a little bit, but I'm gonna try to show you guys a lot of details into this business, so you guys stay tuned. You already know we're gonna get it, man. Let's get it, man. Grind to shine, so stay tuned. I'm about to get into the time. Let's get it. Yo, what's up, guys? I'm back again. You guys can see right here I got I'm gonna show you guys what I got today, some of the products that I got today. And I think today I'm gonna be doing one location, man. The location that I'm doing today, man, is very empty. It's very super empty, man. Let me show you guys right now. Let me pull it up on my phone. So guys, this is the location that I'm gonna be doing today. Zoom out. Why does I want to zoom out? Okay, so this is the location I'm doing today. You guys can see it's so empty, and I have to come and buy a lot of products for it. I have to buy a lot of product for it. I have to buy a lot of drinks. The drinks machine is very empty, pretty much empty, man. It's pretty much super empty. Only got a few drinks on there. So total that I'm spending today is gonna be like, okay, so I have to go to Walmart and buy another drink. Which the drink, I think I'm gonna buy I think iced tea. Yeah, I need to buy iced tea. And I'm probably gonna end up spending $180 today. So you guys see, this is what I have for now right now. And when I head to the other location, when I start heading to the location, I'm gonna let you guys know. But that is it, guys. The total that we're gonna be spending today is probably gonna be around $180. And if it comes out tomorrow, I'm gonna let you guys know. But I think the money we're spending, we already pulled more than that out, because I already pulled that out. I pulled that out the other day. I'm gonna let you guys know at the end of the video how much I pulled out and how much everything came out and how much was my profit and all that stuff. So I want you guys to get in depth into this business. So let's get it, man. You guys stay tuned, stay grinding. Let's get it, man. The grind doesn't stop. Peace out. Yeah, guys, I'm back at the car. About to put all of this into the car real quick. Man, I don't have my GoPro stand. I wish I do have my GoPro stand, but so you guys can see I already got some drinks in here. I'm gonna, you know, put all this drink in the car. Oh my god, did I forget one drink? Yeah, I think I did, but I'm gonna get that one drink from Walmart. So I'm gonna put everything in the car, so you guys stay tuned. I have let me see. So I'm gonna put, like, it's, look, if you're doing vending right, you need to buy one of this right here. So this is very good. You know, this is a container. It's very good, man. Like, it gives you space, especially if you don't have a big, if you don't have a van, or you don't have, I mean, even though you have a van, you still need a container like this. You know, that way you put your products in here. It's very good to put your products in a container. And you know, you got this container too here. I got another container, so I'm thinking about buying another container, so like I'm not gonna be going around, you know, with this BS around with me and stuff. So you guys, that's one of the advice I'll give you guys today. If you're thinking about doing it, get a container. A container is very good. It makes your job easier. That's what you want to do. You want to make your job easier and, you know, less time consuming, so you can be doing everything very fast and be moving around very fast. So let me put all this in the car, and I'm gonna catch you guys later in the video. Let's get it.
Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Guys, I'm done. Everything is filled up, very full. You guys can see everything is done. It took me a lot of time to fill this up and to have this inventory. It took me a lot of time to fill this up and have this fully inventory, man. So guys, I'm about to round up this video and I'm gonna show you how much cash I got you know, for this vacation. So you guys stay tuned. Let's get it, man. The grind does not stop. The grind never stops, man. But I love you guys. Keep supporting me. Keep liking my videos. Keep sharing my videos. And keep commenting. Let's get it. The grind doesn't stop. Catch you in the next video. Let's get it. Yo. I'm done with the vending routes today. I am done. You guys can see. Whew, I want to go change me and put something light, man, because it's so hot, man. It's very hot outside. I am done today. I'm done with the vending routes. You guys can see that machine was very empty. You know, everything collection day. Let's get it, man. Collection day, bro. You already know the grind doesn't stop. You know, this is what I do, man. This is what I do. Hustle. All I do is hustle. Let me get a thumbnail real quick. Let me get a thumbnail. You know, let's get a thumbnail picture, man. No. Let's get a thumbnail. Let's get a thumbnail. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do another thumbnail real quick. Okay. I'm gonna do this last thumbnail before I get into the video. So guys, I'm done for the day. Today's a very beautiful day. You guys can see. So guys, I did about $450 in the vending location today. You know, I spent about $190. I showed you how much I spent, so my profit is looking about like $200 and something. Yeah, around $200 and something, which is not bad. It's not a bad deal just for one location. So you know, just telling you guys, man, the reason I spent so much money is because that location is so empty. Like you guys saw it, it's very emptied out. No drinks, nothing was in that location, so I have to buy everything else. I have to buy a lot of stuff to put in that location. And you guys can see, like, you know, when you get a new location and you got a new machine, you're gonna fill it out. It's probably gonna cost you about $300 to $350. If you're only doing soda is probably gonna cost you around like $150 to $200 or like $100 to $200. So, you know, just have that in mind when you buy your machines and you put in a new machine in the new location. You're probably gonna spend about $300 to $350. Depends on your products you're buying, or you're probably gonna spend more than that. But yeah, guys, today was a good day. Today was a very beautiful day. Thank you guys for watching me. You know, I'm probably gonna be vlogging later on tonight. That's something that I decided to do. Like every vending machine, I try to vlog. You know, I like a little vlog of part of my life. You know, you guys my family, so you know, you gotta, guys. I'm gonna just start showing you guys some little vlog life, man. Let's get it, man. The grind doesn't stop. Let's get it, man. Keep hustling, keep grinding. We're gonna grind till I die. I'm gonna hustle till God calls me home, man. Hustle till God calls me home. You understand? Let's get it, man. Stay tuned for the rest of the video and the grind. Let's get it.